The Great Wall of China, an ancient engineering marvel. Hey there, and welcome back to The Basic Engineering. Today, we're taking you on a journey along one of the world's most iconic and awe-inspiring structures, the Great Wall of China. Spanning thousands of miles, this ancient marvel is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Let's uncover its fascinating story. Constructed over several dynasties, the Great Wall was built to protect China from invasions and nomadic raids. Its origins date back as early as the 7th century BC, but the most famous sections were built during the Ming Dynasty, between the 14th and 17th centuries. This colossal structure not only served a military purpose but also symbolized the unity and strength of the Chinese Empire. From an engineering perspective, the Great Wall is nothing short of extraordinary. Built using a mix of rammed earth, bricks, and stone, its construction methods varied across regions. In some areas, workers used tamped earth techniques, while in others, fired bricks provided extra durability. The wall's design includes watchtowers and fortresses, strategically placed for surveillance and communication. Despite facing harsh terrain and adverse weather conditions, the builders managed to create a structure that stretches over 13,000 miles, a true feat of ancient engineering. Over the centuries, the Great Wall has endured natural erosion, human activity, and the relentless forces of time. Restoration projects have been undertaken by the Chinese government and international experts to preserve its historical integrity. Modern techniques now help monitor and repair the wall's condition, ensuring that this priceless monument continues to inspire future generations. These efforts highlight the importance of preserving cultural heritage through a blend of traditional methods and modern technology. Now, let's share some fun facts. The Great Wall isn't a single continuous wall, but rather a series of fortifications built over centuries. In some parts, the wall is nearly 30 feet high and 15 to 30 feet wide, enough to allow soldiers to march side by side. It's estimated that over 10 million visitors from around the world come to walk its ancient paths every year. The wall's construction is so impressive that some modern engineers still study its design for lessons in durability and strategic construction. Beyond its military and engineering purpose, the Great Wall of China stands as a powerful symbol of Chinese culture and perseverance. It has influenced art, literature, and even modern architecture worldwide. The wall represents not only a physical barrier, but also the spirit of a nation determined to defend its heritage and sovereignty. Today, it continues to inspire awe and remains one of the world's most recognizable landmarks. Takeaway: the Great Wall of China is a monumental achievement in ancient engineering and a lasting symbol of human determination. If you enjoyed this exploration, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Basic Engineering for more deep dives into engineering wonders, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.